Alright, so this video is to educate newbies how to flip an account the correct way. So for people, most especially those who do not have huge trading capital, they can start off with something small and then try to see how they can grow their account from here. Flipping 100,000 naira account to 1 million naira in 1 month is something I think every trader who has gone through a proper training should be able to do. And I'm using this opportunity to show them the perfect way to do that. And for that purpose, I'll be using HFM for this purpose, and I'm going to, as you can see, the account was created on the 31st of July, and I decided to wait the next day, which is August 1st, today, to credit it with 100,000 naira. And then the purpose, the goal is to trade this 100,000 naira for 4 weeks and take it to 1 million naira. The first week, we're going to try to see how we can double the account from 100k to 200k. And then the second week will be from 200k to 400k. Our third week will take it from 400k to 750, and then our fourth week we'll take it from 750 to 1 million. So that is how we're going to be doing that. And on a daily basis, I'm going to be sharing my signals. I'm going to be sharing the strategies and everything I'm going to use for this flipping. So I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to this channel and follow up with the daily views, daily signals that I will be sharing here to achieve this challenge in 4 weeks, and also share my strategies and free signals while doing that. And you can also fund an account and follow through the process on your own as well. Like I said, this is for newbies, and I hope it's going to help them to raise good trading capital. Let's go.